Hey everyone, we are Team Status 200 and we are super excited to introduce you to our innovative solution, which is Grade Genius, your AI powered teacher assistant built to transform the way assignments are graded and feedback is delivered. Why this problem statement? We have seen that teachers are overburdened with repetitive tasks like grading, giving feedback, and creating study materials. So, with increasing class sizes and academic pressure, this leaves little time for personal attention and mentorship. That's where we saw the gap and the opportunity. So let's take a quick look how it works in action. So we have implemented authentication. So Shweta is our teacher here. This is the home page. And now let's create one Kaksha. So we will name it something. So we will name it machine learning since Kakshas are our subjects. So yes, Kaksha has been created successfully. So now this is the community page where if any teacher posts or any student posts any doubts, we all will be able to see it. Of course, the members of the particular Kaksha. Now let's add one assignment. So herein teacher can add their assignment along with a particular description and of course the deadline to submit it, and if they want they can upload one file and then we will publish it. And yes, assignment has been published successfully and we will be able to see it on our community page itself. So all those members who are part of this particular kaksha will be able to view it and of course to submit it. So this is the about part of the assignment. Now let's move on to the submission part. Here we have implemented our AI feature, which basically will automate the whole entire process of grading particular assignments, of giving personalized feedback to the student, and generate one report of all the students who have uploaded the assignment according to the deadlines. So we also have two other features, which is of PPT generation, and here we can of course generate a PPT, and then we have a AI quiz generation. So if we upload particular documents, notes, or PPTs, this AI will generate particular quiz, and which we can of course post it for the assignment part. So this was the teacher's interface. Now let's move on to the student's interface. So here we will log in with a student ID. Now since Shweta was our teacher, Samar is our student. So we will log in into students, and yes, now this particular student, that is Samar, will join a Kaksha which we just created right now. So the teacher must have shared the code with him. Now we will enter that code and we will join the Kaksha. So yes, we are into machine learning's Kaksha. We can see the number has increased from 0 to 1. And yes, the assignment is visible to that particular student. So he can view it, and after completing the assignment, he can upload it. So this is how he uploads, and he will basically submit the assignment. Now all that evaluation of the answers which he might have written will be done by our AI system. So we can again log into the teacher's interface. So we will enter Shweta's credentials here, who's our teacher, and we will be able to see that Samarth has particularly uploaded the assignment. So this was our product, and this is what we have built for the Solution Challenge 2025. Thank you so much.